Busy ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen. Oh, good food, madam. I'm around. Anytime I don't sing the song to the end, but then with a Charlie, comes rough. Today I am coming to prepare gammon, which is pork joint, with some stir fried and some white rice, stir fried vegetables. But before then, I would like to, thank all my subscribers. Thank you for being there with us. We love you so much. So, what are my pork lovers? When you are the one bro. And there's some ways it's very nice. It's very, very nice. So this is it unsmoked. We have one that is already smoked. It's also a fine papa. So I want this one, and it's going to be actually nice. So don't skip through the video. I want to put this in the oven first, and then I'll start the rest. So kindly share the video. Let's encourage the youth to cook. Yes, or record. Just to tell you, this is very salty. It's quite salty, so I'm not going to add any salt or any spice to it apart from Papa B Enterprise or Rokodo or Bobaj. Or that I'm doing is I'm going to put them in the baking tray. Yes. Or Christian, boss, are there a aluminum foil in extension? No. No. Non voglio che inizi a bruciare dentro non è cucinato, quindi sto per coprire, ma impede non ombeniana non all show. And see, my I'm using this to cover. I'm going to put them in the oven. So our gammon is in the oven now, or rokodo papa, as you can see, at 160 or dona butaron or rokodo. Yeah, siccome che stiamo cucinando nostra carne, I'm also going to cook my rice very calmly. Yeah. Okay, this is olio di oliva, olive oil, and I've got some diced onion over here. Padamutomo bana mecho onion. Just want to take my time to cook the onion very nicely. Molto caramellato, yeah. Because Africa food needs banana almost why one way, why fufu. So sometimes you just have to twist it a bit, to give you some more flavorization. Not at all huge more horror. Don't skip through the video. So as you can see, I know what happened. Why very nice and soft. So I'm going to add the rice. Use any rice of your choice. It will equally be nice. Potete usare qualsiasi riso che preferite. Sicuramente sarà buono. So that's salt. ora aggiungiamo avocado, acqua bollente, e show obviously you know your rice, so you know the amount of water you need, for the rice to cook for the taste you prefer. Yes, or rokodo or yezi banpapo. So now let's start with the vegetables. So going to add some olive oil. The vegetables are looking succulent. Yes. Oh yes, man papo. So I'm going to start cooking the onions first. Enzin kana yema yen show no first kuchi mo prima cipolle. Poi man mano aggiungiamo il resto. Na enzin kana kan orokod. The onion, we will cook it for more than 5 minutes. Ordona butara na nankasa wa abbiamo cucinato per quasi 5 minuti, molto con calma, che è diventato molto soffice e molto dorato. Ora sto aggiungendo un pizzico di un pezzettino di chili. Questa è pepe, è molto piccante, quindi poco, per quello che non sto usando neanche un coltello, perché dopo mi butto tutte le mani. E mukona nano yazana pa insina maze size tututu because as one say tutu kwana later it's the challenge on sound show. It's very good. Now I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables. Yes, or the carrots and courgettes. So I love courgettes. I love courgette zucchine molto buone. Wow, orrocodo. Oh, sinda kono kan sa also akamo for Wow. Ora aggiungo un po' di prezzemolo, parsley, orrocodo e sale and salt to taste. Orrocodo or yezi banpapo. God. Finally, the veg is ready. Wow. Look at the juice in it. Wow. Child. I'm one super glad or it was funny. Tina wanna try. Guarda come viene bene questa verdura. Wow. Sono quando the rice is also cooking very nicely. Now we are waiting for our gammon, and then the food is ready to go. Yezi banpapo. We are back. Look, this is all the fat that has gone out. Questo è tutto grasso. Look at how yummy, beautiful, Charlie. Why are condo rough? Charlie? Onyezi, why are condo? Why be nicely? You could as a tunchana. Or record. Chuchana, you good day. Why are condo, papa. A man for when you roast potatoes, when your friend and gravy. Yeah, what from I want to. Or yezi banpapo. Baby, a condo enterprise. Wow. So ready, food is ready. Or record. Share money the way we on Charlie. As no or bob watch the rough. A condo. Wow. What a food. Or record. Voila. Shana condo. Yezi ban papo. Oro kodo akondona guy.